Good morning students. Now I am going to explaining fifth problem in level 3. P and Q are two variable points on the x and y axis respectively such that modulus of OP plus modulus of OQ is equal to A. So that means if we take two variable points here, variable points means these are not fixed points. So these are moving points. So on P on x-axis, Q on y-axis such that OP plus OQ is equal to A modulus of. That means distance from O to P, origin to P and distance from origin to Q. Sum of these two distance is equal to A. Then locus of foot of the perpendicular from origin on PQ. He is asking that question. So if you take the diagram, so take x-axis and y-axis. So already I drawn this one, just I am explaining here. So take P some alpha comma 0, Q some 0 comma beta. So I am taking I am not taking x comma 0 0 comma y because locus point I am taking x comma y. So that's why here I took here P as alpha comma 0, Q as 0 comma beta. Okay, so if you these two are the 2 points on x and y axis. Given condition is modulus of OP. If you take P alpha comma 0, then modulus of OP is nothing but modulus of alpha. This distance is alpha. So O to Q 0 comma beta Q is, then OQ is equal to beta. Okay, so then given condition is modulus of alpha plus modulus of beta is equal to A, they given. So next one is asking find the locus of foot of the perpendicular from origin on PQ. Okay, that means foot of the perpendicular from origin to PQ. Join this P and Q, we get a line segment. So take the foot of the perpendicular from origin to PQ, that is some take arc Rx comma Y. So now he is asking locus of this Rx comma Y. So locus of this Rx comma Y, this is also not fixed point. Here P comma Q are moving points. If P is here, Q may be here. So R also change. If P is here, Q will be here. Then R also change. So these P and Q are the moving points. According to that, R will be changed. So now we are going to finding the locus of that R. Let R x comma y you take the point. So according to this R, if you observe the diagram, so here OPR is a right angle triangle. Am I correct or not? Through any right angle triangle, we can draw a circle as diameter is OP here. Okay, we can draw a circle through right angle triangle as a diameter is line segment joined by non-right angle vertex. Understand? So that means, so here OP is the diameter, R is the any point on a circle such that angle ORP is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, if you observe, this is the triangle, right angle triangle at R. Similarly, we can draw a circle through any right angle triangle. We can draw a circle. Diameter is the line segment joined by non-right angle vertices, that is OQ here. See here, according to that, you get a two circles. According to these two circles, we should get a relation. Through that relation, we should find the locus of x comma y. That means we should get the relation between x and y. See here, if you take the right angle triangle, okay, so this is the circle. Now OP is the diameter. So already I gave one formula for circle, that is a diametrical form. I gave that one. Diametrical form means, let us consider it is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So these two are the ends of the diameter. Then diametrical form of the circle is nothing but x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay. See here x1 y1 they given 0 comma 0, x2 y2 they given alpha comma 0. So according to that one, the equation of the circle is nothing but x minus, I am simplifying here, x minus 0 into x minus alpha plus y minus 0 into y minus 0. Y minus 0 into y minus 0. X minus 0 into x minus alpha plus y minus 0 into y minus 0 is equal to 0. So if you simplify this one, you have x into x, x square, y into y, y square minus x into alpha, x alpha is equal to 0. So already we have the condition mod alpha plus mod beta is equal to a. So if you want to substitute in that one alpha beta values, we have to make a subject alpha here. So here alpha is equal to alpha x is equal to x square plus y square. So x, if you transpose this side, then it becomes to alpha is equal to x square plus y square by x. Similarly, according to this diagram, we have, if you take the diametric form as OQ as the diameter 0 comma 0 0 comma beta. So here x1 y1 same 0 comma 0, x2 y2 0 comma beta. If you apply same formula here, we get, here I am explaining. So x minus 0 into x minus 0 because of x1 x2 both are zeros, plus y minus 0 into y minus beta is equal to 0. So this means x square plus y into y square, it is minus 0. Minus y into beta, y beta is equal to 0. If you make subject, then beta is equal to x square plus y square by y you get. So it's this, in this condition you substitute alpha beta, then you get a relation between x square and x, that means x and y. So mod alpha is nothing but modulus of x square plus y square by x, plus mod beta is nothing but modulus of x square plus y square by y is equal to a. Here modulus, if you want to eliminate this modulus, we have to take plus or minus, here plus or minus, here plus or minus. So plus or minus x square plus y square by x plus or minus x square plus y square by y is equal to a. First you take both terms are positive. If option is there, then you proceed. Otherwise you have to take 1 plus 1 minus, 1 minus minus, plus minus, there are 4 possibilities, plus plus, plus minus plus, plus minus, minus minus. Out of these 4 possibilities, which option is there, that is the correct answer. So first you take both positives, x square plus y square by x plus x square plus y square by y is equal to a. So that means, so without modulus you get that one, both positives means. So if you take the LCM, xy is the LCM here. So y multiply to here, y into x square plus y square. Next x multiply here, x into x square plus y square by xy, that xy transpose to right side, that gives axy. See here, in both terms we have x square plus y square, that x square plus y square common, then we have y plus x or x plus y. So what is the answer? X plus y into x square plus y square is equal to xy. If this option is there, then you stop the problem. Otherwise we have to take with minus plus. If option is there, okay. Otherwise go for plus minus. That means mod x is nothing but plus or minus x. Already I gave this formula. Or mod a is equal to plus or minus a. Anyone. So it is in the form of some mod a. Mod a is equal to plus or minus a. First here plus symbol I have taken. So this option is there or not, once you check it out. So here x plus y into x square plus y square is equal to xy. This option is there. So this is the answer for that question. Second option. Next. Sixth question. If the first point of trisection of AB is t comma 2t and the ends a comma b moves on x and y axis respectively, then locus of midpoint of AB is. If the first point of trisection of AB is t comma 2t and the ends of AB moves on x and y axis respectively. That means a comma b on x and y axis. Let A be